Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to factory reset Sonos Play 5 speaker. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering, how do you factory reset your Sonos Play 5 speaker? Well, resetting it is actually pretty easy because with the support that Sonos actually provides us. So this is actually from this case, the support page from Sonos themselves. Now, in this case, there's the all other Sonos products here. It also actually show you other ways to reset other products like Sonos Move 2, Roam. So there's a lot here, but we'll be referring to all other Sonos product here, which includes Sonos Play 5. So just to give you some demonstration here, I have a photo of a Sonos Play 5 here. So to factory reset your Sonos Play 5, here's what you need to do. So first is you need to unplug the cord from your speaker. While reconnecting the power, you need to press and hold the join button. Now, in this case, you might be wondering, what is the join button here? It's going to be like the infinity icon that you see here. So if your model doesn't have a join button, you can use the play or pause button or mute button instead. So like we saw on the front of the Sonos Play 5 here, but we'll be using the infinity or the join button. Now keep holding the button until you see the light flash orange and white. So this indicates the reset process is in progress. When the light changes to flashing green, the reset is complete and your speaker is now ready to set up. Again, you just need to basically press and hold the join button while reconnecting to power. Now, once you see it, or once you see the light changes to flashing green, you're now good and ready to go. In this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.